recording myself, but it's really raining outside, and you have to like watch out for the roads because everywhere is flooded because it's Human. It's a small town. Oops, I feel weird. People are like staring at me. Can I flip the camera or something? Yeah, those are my wipers. They're really loud sometimes. I guess because it never rains here. They're like super dry maybe, I don't know. It's not raining that hard. So I have to be extra careful. Yellow light. I'm already home. I'm already late. Kind of weird. I feel like drinking a hot chocolate, but I just spent like I'm not gonna say the price, but a lot of money on my boyfriend's present, and I'm like broke right now till Friday. Maybe they're gonna pay us early. I don't know. I just felt like recording this because it never rains that hard over here. I feel weird talking to myself for the camera. It's kind of cool. I'm waiting for like a big puddle. You should go on the other lane. I have to put gas, but left here, maybe. Yeah, I would put gas, but my boots are already soaked and wet. And my feet and my socks are wet. And yeah, I'm wearing a hoodie and my brown boots and tights and like a dressy shirt, one of those dressy shirts. And I have to have my heater on. Because it gets like, I don't know, the windows get all foggy and stuff, and then I can't see. And I'm not really cold, but it's on. Because I feel weird if I turn the AC on. It's like not hot or cold. So now I'm just ready to go home. Can't wait to get paid. I hope my boyfriend likes what I got him. I really like it. He wanted a Nixon watch. I got him a Fossil. They're like the same price, but they don't have Nixon over here, so it's like too late to order it online. So I just went all the way to the mall on a rainy day. So dangerous. With no gas. With milk in my car. And then I forgot my wallet. Yeah, I forgot my wallet when I was about to pay for the thing. And then I was like, oh shoot, can I go get my wallet from the car? I forgot it. Felt kind of retarded. I'm kind of holding my phone down because I look weird talking to myself and then having the camera on me. Yeah, I just want to go home and drink hot chocolate. Well, I actually would just want to wrap the presents. It smells kind of weird outside. Oh, it's that car. Smells weird, like it's breaking down or something. I don't think it's raining that much. It's like turning rain. Yeah, people in Yuma do not know how to drive in the rain. Whoa, my wiper. And then like there's this street, Yuma's not even that big. There's this like street, it's called 32nd Street, and it's like closed. It's been closed like the whole week, so we have to like go around. And like I was supposed to turn in my timesheet today from work with a late notice, so I had to drive all the way from that town over here. And I brought my laptop and I did it at the library and I printed it out. 10 cents is nothing, but they pay 10 cents for the copy. And then I get there and it's like I have like 5 minutes to get there, and like it's pouring rain and I have to go all the way around because the street is closed. And like it was actually, if that street would have been open, it would have been like it would. Oh man, is there an accident here? Woo. Looks like an accident. Put my phone down. Whoa. I think I got that. I don't know. Yeah, like I said, people in Yuma do not know how to drive in the rain. Am I still recording? Yes. So there's a lot of delays, and I took like, I was supposed to be home already at, look at the time, it's 5:54, and I was supposed to be home at 3? Yeah, like at 3. But I had to come over here, yeah, like I said, my timesheet, blah, 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 and it was late, and then it was wrong. So the nice lady helped me fix it. So she fixed it, and then, yeah, I left. And then I went to go buy milk, and then the store was flooded all around. Like another idiot. Yeah. Go, people. Why? Idiots. I'm wearing my glasses because I can't see. I usually never wear them, but my eyes are starting to get like kind of tired, so I've started wearing them. Yeah. I did my makeup today at the store. Looks pretty. I have to like spend, I don't know, like $100 on just makeup. Well, not just, I just need like foundation and primer and whatever else she put me. And then she was trying to sell me this one cleanser. I mean, I would buy it, but I don't have the money. It's like 120. Oh, look, all the cars. Whoops. Kind of started drifting the other way. Yeah, and my parents, they were like, be careful, drive slow, brake far from people and stuff. And I was like, okay. I don't blame him. If I had a daughter, I would be the same way. I wouldn't even want her to drive all the way over here. But sometimes you just gotta look, another cop. Gotta trust. Is that a cop? Like that was an accident. Dang, that's a lot of cars. Like I said, this is why I'm recording. I feel weird, but it's just a weird day today, I guess. The sky is so pretty for us. For other people, it would be like not pretty. Because normal days here, it's like dry. And the total opposite of today. Dry. No clouds at all. And blue, 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 blue skies. Sunny, sunny, sunny day the whole day. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of dark. Oh, it's really dark. And it's barely 6. Oh, it's like December. Well, we're in December. So maybe that's okay. So yeah, I'm going to 50 right now. The hand over there usually is like 65. Yeah, that's 55. Going a little slower. I think it should be less gas. I don't know. I'm trying to catch something interesting here, but I guess when I got the camera and the thing popped out. Wah. Well, I guess. Oh, I'm kind of tired. I'm surprised I'm not hungry. Kind of boring. So that's it for this rainy day in Yuma. December 13, 2011, 5:58 p.m.